looks like a mess right now, but today's going to be content day. I'm going to be filming YouTube videos. Today's going to be very content. Instagram pictures, you know, all that shebang. I just woke up. The time is like past 8 right now. So yeah, I just wanted to start early so I can finish early. So yeah, I'm back to posting on Instagram again. I just pour water to have my bath.
2,000 years later.
So the last time you saw me, I think I was telling you guys I was going to shower, right? So as I was prepping that morning, they took the light. So they brought the light back by like past 8 or past 7 around that time. So I filmed the first YouTube video. The floor is a mess. I'm embarrassed. I filmed the first YouTube video, took some pictures for Instagram, just made like little Snapchat videos for his sister and stuff like that. So I was filming the second video now. So I just wanted to check in on you guys. I swear I can't talk today. Checking on you guys because yeah. This is a mess we have going on here. It's pretty crazy, right? Yeah, story of my life. I was just trying to take some like product pictures of this one here. But yeah, follow me on Instagram if you want to catch all the drips because I'm back all day. I'm going to wear the same top for the second video just because I cannot even be bothered. I need to disconnect my system. There's no more charge. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'll see you guys when I'm done filming the second video. I'll tell you this tonight though. Hey guys, so I can't even remember the last time I checked in, but last night vlog was on Saturday night. I didn't film or do anything. Okay, so on Sunday after I got back from church, I wanted to make Instagram IG reels, but I couldn't do anything because there was no light and my phone and my system, everything was dead. There was no light for the whole day. And then when they finally brought the light like around 11, my phone takes a long time to charge. It was just a whole thing, but I didn't create content on Sunday like I planned to. So today is Monday and I had CDS this morning. And I've just been editing because this video is going to go up tomorrow. You guys see how much I've done. That's how much I've done. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Like content creation in Nigeria is so hard. Like it's so hard because I know for a fact that it was like on Saturday I would have gotten so much work done. On Sunday rather. I would have gotten so much work done because I was just trying like it's crazy, man. But anyways, see, I'm just editing. I've been doing that all day basically. I wanted to do IG reels, but I really want to get this video up tomorrow, so I will just keep editing. I don't know. But yeah, this is me checking in with you guys. Hey guys, so I just finished editing. Well, I didn't just finish, well, I finished not too long, and now the video is exporting. The time is 11:28 right now, like. But yeah, I want to stop giving excuses for not having videos up on time, so this is me on my grind. Just to subscribe.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so I was filming this video last weekend, but the clips were really short, so I said add this week into it. So we're going to be doing product photography. Today the time is like past 8. You guys, I've been watching you in Amsterdam all day, but I edited a little bit more. Yeah, but we're going to take pictures today, and I just thought to, you know, show you guys how I do it. So yeah, all the pictures will be on my Instagram, and since I'm using my phone to film, I won't be able to show you how I'm taking the pictures, but I'll show you like the setup, if that makes sense. So yeah, but I'm about to take pictures of this TCB product, all these products here. so I'll just get it situated. I have a couple of ideas for the shoots, but I'm thinking of making 2 shoots, like taking 2 different shots. So yeah. So now I have to move my ring light close there, and then okay, I think that's it. So yeah, I'll leave my Instagram on the screen and in the description so you can check out the end result of the pictures. So yeah, I wanted to start doing these things since what? You guys, I filmed 3 videos yesterday, then I lost parts of the clip of the first video. And honestly, I can't even count. Well, yeah, let's get to workshop. Like, share, subscribe. Now we're where I am. Okay. How do I? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, here we go. There we go. So I'm shooting here now. I have this new concept, so I'm giving it a shot. So yeah, guys. So I've taken a couple of shots and I've moved the products around, but this is what we've got right now. That's them, and then I have my ring light around. I don't know, I like the pictures so far. I'm really excited to edit them. Yeah, I still have I believe it's one more shoot. Well, not with this product though. I'm done with this product now. One more shoot and it will be a wrap. And then I'll end this vlog. I think that I would have enough footage for this video by the time I'm done with this. Yeah, product photography has always been something that I've been into, and I'm getting back into Instagram, and it's just something I'd like to share. So yeah, follow me on Instagram if you're not already. Okay, so I'm just going to pack this up and set up for my new shoot. Hey guys, so I had to stop shooting because my phone died. Well, I'm done now. I think I have very good shots that I'm happy with. The time is like 11:15 right now. Yeah, but this is a setup I bought, and then there's the ring right here, and then I just finished editing this week's video that's going up on Tuesday, and I'm exporting it right now, as you can see. Yeah, it's just been a busy content day for me, to be honest. I mean, okay, no, that's a lie. It hasn't been busy because I spent most of the day watching New Amsterdam anyways. Well, it was busy for the most part. Yesterday it was not busy though, and I didn't want to vlog and film because I just had lots to film. So yeah, I was planning on filming a reel today, guys, a makeup reel. That's why it's still like here open and stuff. But when I tell you that I couldn't get myself to be as productive as I wanted to, I will try again tomorrow though. But I'm happy I got these pictures either way, and I'm exporting a video. So all around today was kind of a productive, content day for me. So yeah, I'll be officially ending this video here. Let me know this kind of videos you guys want me to do. Let me know if something you guys would like to see. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.